Well, hello there. Well, you know who I am? No, you don't. You've never seen me before, have you? My name is exactly Shears, and I am a very, very good friend of Exacta Shears, who happens to make a very, very good scissor sharpening machine, and you would not believe this system. It is just awesome. Just absolutely awesome. It makes me wish I could breathe fire. But I won't do that to you right now. I just want to read you a couple of testimonials that Exacta Shears got. Yes, and they were absolutely unsolicited. And most definitely they weren't paid for. And that has made us just so proud. And you know what? Somebody on the internet has plagiarized that, and I am flaming mad. So let me read you just these two, okay? Bear with me here, all right? Thank you very much. This one is from a gal named Sexy Scissors. She says, I have been a hairdresser for 32 years, and I wanted to say thank you personally for sharing your wealth of knowledge with the hairdressing world. I only cut hair occasionally now, but I wish I had used shears like yours back in the day. Well, Sexy, I wish you had too. I know now how important a tool they are. Well, I'm glad you found out, Sexy. Since I've been using your shears, I've found that when sharpened properly by an expert like you and taken care of properly, as you suggested, it's the difference between driving a Cadillac to a Toyota. Now, I didn't say that, but anyhow, thank you, Sexy. Your understanding and passion, oh yes, oh yeah, Sexy, we are most passionate, and thank you that you realize that we do have some understanding. Anyhow, your understanding and passion makes a world of difference. I'll spread the word to my co-workers and others. Thank you, Sexy. Thank you very much. We most greatly appreciate it. And thank you for taking the time to write a true testimonial. Okay, next is a lady named Junebug. Junebug is a hairstylist of 38 years, a competitor, a salon owner, and cosmetology instructor. Wow. Wow, congratulations to you, Junebug. Okay, here she goes. I have had many past horror stories regarding attempts to have my shears sharpened. Yeah, Junebug, we know exactly what you're talking about. Consequently, I started using disposable shears like switchblades. Oh no, Junebug, I am so sorry. You've been working your poor little hands off all these years. Okay, here we go. Excuse me. And those cute little ones that look like a first grader should be cutting paper with. The ones with the bright colored plastic finger grips. When you sharpened my first pair of shears, I was hooked. Yeah, I know, Junebug. Yeah, Exacta has a way of doing that. I now own 3 pair of these awesome shears, and my life as a professional is now evident by the tools that I have. You got rid of that junk, huh? All right, here we go again. My clients always ooh and ah over my scissors, and the texturizers are so sharp, you better pay attention. All right, well, thank you, Junebug. Thank you very, very much. We really, really, really appreciate that. Well, folks, it's a pleasure to make your kind acquaintance, and I'm sorry. I will be back, I suppose. This is old Exactly Shears, and please visit our website. It's www.exactashears.com, and that is XZACTA. One more time. XZACTA. Exacta Shears. Y'all take care now. You hear? All right. Thank you so much.